In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the chat hub in N8N. Start by opening your N8N workspace and heading to the workflows area. From here, create a new workflow so we have a clean canvas to work with. Once the editor opens, look for the plus icon to add your first node. That opens the node picker, and this is where the chat hub lives behind the scenes. Use the search bar and type on chat message. Select the node called on chat message. This node is the entry point for chat interactions and is what exposes the chat hub for testing and usage. With the node added, look for the setting to make the chat publicly available. Turning this on gives you a shareable interface for others to try your chat without needing editor access. If there's a small toggle labeled on next to any optional setting, enable it only if it matches your use case. For example, you might want additional metadata or a specific behavior available right away. Next, choose the mode. Depending on your needs, you might prefer a simple single-turn chat or a conversational mode that keeps context across messages. Pick the option that reflects how you want users to interact with your bot. Then choose the authentication approach. If you're testing privately, you can keep it open. If this will be shared externally, consider adding authentication so only approved users can access the chat. Keep it as lightweight or as strict as your scenario requires. Add your initial message or welcome messages. This is what users will see when they first open the chat, so it's a great place to introduce the bot's purpose, set expectations, and offer a prompt like, "Ask me about X." Keep it friendly and concise. After that, review the options section. This is where you can fine-tune behavior and appearance details depending on what's available in your workspace. Small tweaks here can make the experience feel more polished. Now it's time to surface the chat hub. Click Test Chat. A chat panel will open on the right, and this is effectively the chat hub interface tied to your workflow. Send a quick message to verify everything works as expected and that your initial message reads well. If you need to extend the workflow, click the plus icon again to add more nodes. You can connect processors, tools, or any services you plan to trigger based on chat input. As you iterate, keep the test chat open so you can validate changes quickly. And that's how you find and use the chat hub in N8N.